to go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Target. And why are we going to Target? We're going to Target because we're buying bins, we're buying shelves, and we're gonna buy a heater because I need to purge my garage. Ever since I moved into the new home, we put everything inside the garage because we're doing construction in the living room and the kitchen. But we do have a basement where we could put all this stuff in, and that's where that's gonna go, and we're gonna free the garage and finally organize and get it to be a proper workspace so that I can film for you guys. Hi, mommies. Say hi to the vlog. Say hello. Say hello. Look at all this stuff. It's a mess in here. I cannot wait to clean half of this out. I found my old middle school yearbook. Look at me! Look at me! Oh my god! This is old! Jesus! I think I found my bags. Yes! I gotta install these. Ugh. I found all my tickets from New York. Look at these. They're all, oh my god. All my tickets. It's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That counts as one. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9. There's one down there, 10. And I'm sure I got a lot more because I have a folder inside the house too. But these are like my first ever tickets that I ever got. That's crazy. I'm super tired, but I'm not gonna show you the garage just yet. I want to see if I can get my car up this little hill. I think if I take off the front bumper, I'll be fine, but I don't know yet, so don't quote me on it. If that doesn't work, I'll probably just put some wood on the bottom to see if I could just ramp it up. But yeah, let's see. My car, the moment it hit right there, the whole front bumper just went up, and I already know that that was gonna break it even more, so I'm just gonna clip off my zip ties because I have the front bumper hanging by zip ties. So I'll chop these off and take it off with the quick release that I have in the corner and see if the car comes up. Burnout right here and getting up right there. So I think when I get out, I'm just gonna have to make a ramp and hit it slowly without the front bumper. But yeah, she's up. I'm super happy that I got this garage cleaned. Like, it took 5.5 hours, 6 hours for me to clean out completely, but there's so much more to be thrown out. I cannot wait until I put a bunch of drywall on here and paint this and make it all white. That is my dream for this garage. Hopefully sometime soon in the summer I'll be working inside the garage. If you guys want to see like a updated garage video, or if you want to see how I drywall the whole entire place, let me know in the comments down below. So I have all my detailing products, and I actually threw away half of them because they were frozen solid and I didn't want to use them anymore. But I have some Jay Leno's Garage detailing spray, Voodoo Ride, Atom Polishes, 360 blue, and a bunch of Meguiar's and Turtle Wax, and Atom Polishes foam gun. Have a bunch of spray cans and just miscellaneous tools and stuff like that. My rotors are up here that I have to install. That's Cody's race helmet. We got some microphones over here, some walkie-talkies. Aside from all these things, we have my bags that are right here, miscellaneous tools again, and this is the section that I want to focus on when I start building this garage. This is going to be my workbench area. I'm dreaming of maybe an L-shaped I don't know, table with some nice tool hangers and all that stuff. We got a picture of my car when it was green, a trophy. I'm missing like 3 more trophies, but they're somewhere in a box. This is my car now, my Mishimoto radiator that I have to order the hoses for, and that's gonna be a video. And yeah, harnesses, my wheel covers, and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that's all over here. I was able to fit that little tiny couch, and this was actually my living room couch, and I'm gonna keep it in here. And when I buy a new set, I'm gonna bring the one that's inside back into the garage, so it's a nice L shape. But I thought this would be nice if I had friends over doing car stuff, they can just sit there. And yeah, we have a bunch of Evo parts here, a bunch of Evo parts over there. So now that we're in the garage, I want to show you one last thing before I let you guys go. I have some sick taillights that my friend Nick designed last year. He has a company called Epic Lights, and he was able to make these for me like super quickly. And this is not sponsored, I just wanted to show you guys the lights. And yeah. So you find yours on your phone. It sends you into this map, and you can choose from any colors or show modes. There we go. I think this is the coolest thing I've ever got to see. But yeah, I think it's so cool that you can do that, and you can do it in different types of colors. And I especially like the solid ones. Like, imagine me driving around with purple taillights. Come on, look at that. Ooh, Cody's calling. It's been a very long day. I am so tired. I want to go eat something and take a shower. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Please let me know what else you guys want to see. Now that I'm in the garage, I could probably do more detailing stuff and fix my front bumper finally. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.